Hello, welcome to the second module of Kadasales training or tutorial. On this second module, we are going to show you how you can restock the existing products and how you can also register a new supplier if you have. Remember, on the first module, we'll be able to show you how to add a new product that it doesn't have. So right now, we're working through on how you can be able to register a new supplier. So these are the menu as you can see here. So it's very simple to register a new supplier or a new vendor who supply the product. You click on supplier. Okay, when you click on supplier, a sub menu will appear. Then click on add supplier. Here you are going to enter the informations of the supplier, the name, the supplier's name, then the company name, then the phone number, the email, and then address. Remember here, this one that would read asterisk are the compulsory one that you must fill. These are compulsory information that must be filled. So now we are going to give an example. We are using a Nigerian bottle company as a example of our supplier. So this is a Nigerian bottle company. So that is what we're going to use as example for our supplier. These are the company who supply us products. So we need to have their information for reconciliation. So when we come here, we can see repeated the company name the same. So the reason for this is it enables you to reconcile your business, to reconcile whatever transaction you do with this company, to know how much you've paid and to know how much you are owing them or how much they are owing you, vice versa. If you are owing them or if you pay upfront deposit money in the account, so this will be able to help you to know this is what and what you purchase from them. So after this, then the address. Okay, the email is not compulsory, you can type it if you want. Then when you are done, you click on what register supply. You can see supplier saved. So the next thing we are going to proceed now, sorry, the next thing we're going to proceed is to restock. For you to restock, what will you do? You click on products, then click on receive invoice. Now when you click on receive invoice, you must have, you can see this is what I was working on before, right? So before I stopped, so now I can remove them if this is not exactly what I want. To remove them, you can click on this close button with red. So now when you come here, you are going to enter the invoice number on that receipt which you used to purchase that particular product or the item. So now our receipt number for that is 00982. That which is there. Then so click on all suppliers to select the particular supplier who supplied that product to you. So now is a Nigerian bottle companies. Okay, this is just a demo. We can use anything, right? Now the date in which the product was supplied to you, you click here to select the date. So let's assume that this one was supplied today, being 13th of December 2024. You click on 13th of December 2024. Now click here on the product search. This is where you're going to type in the name of the product or the item that was supplied to you, which is in the invoice. Or if you have a barcode scanner, what you can do if you run a business like a supermarket or pharmacy that require to have a scanner, what you do is what when you click on this name slash barcode, then plug your scanner, then you can scan your product if the products have a barcode. Okay, now if you don't have a barcode, you can search by typing the name of the product or typing in the barcode. Is either ways. So here now we are going to use Coca-Cola as an example. So the name of our product is what? Coca-Cola. So that is what was supplied to us. Before you finish typing, it will bring all different Coca-Cola you have here. We have Coca-Cola 50cl, we have 33cl, we also have can and also have normal 33cl. So it depends on what you want, what was supplied to you based on what is in the invoice. So now I'll click on this Coca-Cola 50cl. Now, if there is any other product, because this can also help you in multiple restocking of the invoice. So if you have another one there, let me say they also supply Aquafina. So what you do is what you will type in the name of the product here. This is Aquafina bottled water. I will click on it. So you can add all the things that is in invoice first. Then the next one, if this company also supply to us, Hollandia, remember it's not must you do everything once. So I can just say Hollandia. So this is a Hollandia yogurt. Now we have a different sizes and different this you can see we have plain Hollandia yogurt plain sweetened, we have Hollandia yogurt vanilla flavor and so on, different types of flavor. So here now, if what was supplying is plain sweetened, I'll click on it, and also vanilla, I'll click on it. These are different kinds of products which was purchased today. Now when you are done, you click on this close. You can see here the close. Click on close. Now what next are we going to do? If you look here, this is where you enter the quantity that was supplied to you. You can see this stock quantity is showing 0 here. So under the stock quantity, there is a box under stock quantity. This is where you're going to type in the quantity which is in the invoice. And remember here, if your invoice captured in carton, and when you're receiving here, you are going to convert it in pieces because you sell in retail price. You don't sell the way you bought it. For instance, you buy in pack, you sell in retail, which is in pieces, same one. So now when you are doing that, this is what you are going to note. So here now, we bought this Coca-Cola 50 cl, one pack. Remember, in one pack, we are having 12 pieces inside one pack. So you don't just go and type one here, no. What you do is we'll type 12 because we have 12 pieces inside one pack, right? Now, here we show you unit cost. This is the previous unit cost that this product was purchased earlier. The last time it was purchased, this is how much it was purchased, right? Then this is the selling price. So what you will come here, this here, when you hover your mouse here, it will show unit cost. If you know how much it costs you for one, you can type it here. It's either ways, or you can come here. This is total cost. Come to the total cost, click on the total cost. Then how much do you buy? How much do you purchase this one pack? If it's 4,000 naira, you type 4,000 naira. That means there's increase in price. You can see, means one pack is giving you 300 and what? There's three, right? So that is for this. Now, when you come here, you can see as I type in here is almost here. You show you here the 12 pack. Now, when you look up here, the up here show you the current quantity, what you have, because we are restocking. So what do you do here? What you are going to do to show you that already you have this particular product, 389 pieces. We are restocking 12, right? That is next. Then if it's a product that have an expiration date and you want to be tracking the expiration date, you click here on this date to select when the product will expire based on what is on product what label. I can click here and I'll say 2025, then January, then you can now select. So when you now click, I see 2025 January what 15. Okay, but if you don't have a product that can finish easily, you don't need to bother yourself to set expiration date, right? Now, when you are done with it, you come to the next one, the Aquafina. How many in a pack? 10 in a pack. Then how much do you buy the 10? 1,500, right? That means the cost price for one is what? 150. So this is the procedure is what I'm going to take to finish everything. Now, when it comes to Hollandia, Hollandia is also 10 in a pack. So if you buy 2 packs for the Hollandia, which is what? 20. Now you come here, how much do you buy each pack? Now it depends on you. Remember, the cost price, initial cost price is 1,300. So if it's the same thing, you can easily type 1,300, which means it will give you 26,000. But let's assume that what you buy this now is 28,000. You can see it's now 1,000 for automatically computer will give you the unit cost price for that particular product. So that is how you can receive your products. So now let's assume that this one is 10, and here you got this one 24,000 because they're the same product, just different flavor. Okay, just this different flavor. So here now you can see they are the same thing. So you can see just type 1,004 here, So now after the, which is what, this is 14,000. So if you come down here, it will show you the total cost. This total cost shows you these are how much expected to be on the invoice. If you are having different figure from here than what is in your invoice, please have to cross check very well, because this means there is a mistake somewhere. Either the person who supplied this item made mistake while doing the calculation, or you did not enter the correct quantity or the correct cost price, which was an invoice. So this is something that you are going to check very well, cross check it and make sure that in order. So after that, the next you are going to do is what? You click on what? Save invoice. So when you click on save invoice, it's going to save all these items in your computer. Now, after saving all these items, they will be displayed here. Okay, so that is how to receive your invoice. Now, after receiving your invoice, what next will you do? You can get a report to see what and what did we buy today or did we purchase today. So we can do that by what? If I click on product, then click on all invoices. Then when you click on all invoices, you are going to select a date range to check what and what that was purchased or procured within this period of time. So for now, I'm checking for today being 20th of December. I'll click here and select the date I want, then click on search. It will show me all the items that was purchased on this day. If I went and select, okay, let me check what was purchased from 10th of December to 11th of December or to 12th of December. Now I'll click on this. If there's any purchase, it will show up here. Right now, if I can say can check from 12th, from 10th of December till date 13th of December, then you can click on this. It will see fetch all those items. So the total purchase that was made is 69,600. It's very simple, right? So this is how you can be able to restock your stock or to receive a new invoice after your purchase. So as you are doing this, automatically it is added to your stock. So now, before we go, I want to show you something about our supplier. You can see now the person who supplied this product today. When I check today's supply, you can also get your report, a proper report on what was supplied to you. You can, to get that, you will go directly to the word to reports. Click on reports. Now, when you click on report, you click on receive invoice reports. So when you click on receive invoice report, then what are you going to do? You are now going to select the time when the product was what? Received. So there is a range of time when the product was what? Received. So what will you do? You click here and say, okay, I want to check what was supplied today. Let's imagine the accountant or the auditor or the MD, they want to cross-check what was entered in the system. You can, there's many ways you can check here. You can say sum it by product, some by invoice number, some by supplier. I can come here and say, okay, sum it by what? Supplier. And then I'll click on get report. It will see display all the things that I purchased today. The supplier is what? Nigerian Bottle Companies, Nigerian Bottles Company. Now I can come here, if I check from 10th of December to the date and get this report, it's going to sum it. It shows that Kadademo supply us products worth of this amount, 20,100 naira. Now, Nigerian Bottles Company supply a product worth of 47,500. So that is very simple. This, you can print it, you can export it to Excel, you can export to PDF, depends on what you want to achieve on this. So that is how you are going to restock your product. This is how you can receive a new invoice afterward purchase. And this is compulsory. Then after this, it will automatically be added to your stock. So now if you go to your stock, you'll be able to see that yes, I can go to product, check your product history. Okay, so when you check your product history, you are going to see this particular product, say that this thing was received today. Now let me check Coca-Cola, for example. Now remember the one that we added today is 50 cl. Now we have a different Coca-Cola here. Then the one of the 50 cl, I can click on the history. Then on the history, you should be able to see, okay, this product will be able to receive this amount or this on this. So you can see that it shows that this product will receive so quantity on this day, 12 on this day, making a total of what? This. So this is how we can be able to do what? Receive and get our what? Product. If you have any question, please, you can on the comment section, you can ask for question, or you contact um, our salesperson, okay, our engineers, they will help you through. Thank you.